MicroStrategy, a name synonymous with innovation and cutting-edge technology. You might know them for their software. Their powerful analytics and business intelligence tools have revolutionized how companies make data-driven decisions. But there's more to the story. Beyond the software, there's a strategic vision that sets them apart. MSTR, their stock, is where things get interesting. It's not just a reflection of their software success, but a window into their broader ambitions. Think of it as a bet on a company making big moves. Moves that are bold, calculated, and sometimes controversial. MSTR isn't your typical tech stock. It's a dynamic entity, constantly evolving and adapting to the market's demands. It's a bet on their investments. Investments that go beyond traditional assets and venture into the realm of digital currencies. And boy, do they invest. We're talking Bitcoin, we're talking other assets. It's a wild ride, so buckle up. Their foray into Bitcoin has been nothing short of groundbreaking, capturing the attention of both Wall Street and Main Street. We're diving into the world of MSTR, a world where technology meets finance and where innovation drives growth. We'll break down their moves. From strategic acquisitions to bold investments, we'll explore how MicroStrategy is positioning itself for the future. We'll look at the risks. Every bold move comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. We'll analyze the potential pitfalls and how the company plans to navigate them. And we'll see why everyone's talking about them. From their innovative software solutions to their audacious investment strategies, MicroStrategy is a company that's redefining the boundaries of what's possible in the tech and financial worlds. Join us as we uncover the full story behind this fascinating company. First things first, what does MicroStrategy actually do? They're in the business intelligence game. Sounds complicated? It's not. They help companies make sense of their data. Think reports, dashboards, analytics. It's all about turning raw data into useful insights. They've been doing this for a while. They're considered a leader in the field. But here's the thing, their stock performance, it's not just about their software anymore. It's about their investments. And that's where things get really interesting. Let's talk Bitcoin. MicroStrategy went all in. They bought a ton of it, I mean a lot of it. They see Bitcoin as the future of finance, a hedge against inflation, a digital gold if you will. This move raised eyebrows. Some called it genius, others called it reckless, but one thing's for sure, it got everyone's attention. And it's a big reason why people are interested in MSTR. It's a way to bet on Bitcoin without actually buying Bitcoin. But wait, there's more. MicroStrategy doesn't just invest in Bitcoin, they've got a diversified portfolio. We're talking stocks, we're talking bonds. They're spreading their bets. This is important. It shows they're not putting all their eggs in one basket. They're thinking long-term. And that's appealing to investors. It shows a level of sophistication, a strategy beyond just the Bitcoin craze. Section 5, the allure of MSTR. Why investors are paying attention. So, why are investors interested in MSTR? It's simple. MicroStrategy, or MSTR, has captured the attention of investors for several compelling reasons. It's a way to bet on a company making bold moves. MicroStrategy has made headlines with its aggressive investment strategies, particularly its significant holdings in Bitcoin. They see the potential of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has been a hot topic in the financial world. Its decentralized nature and potential for high returns make it an attractive asset. They like the diversified portfolio. MicroStrategy isn't just about Bitcoin. The company has a robust business intelligence platform that provides valuable insights to enterprises. This diversification adds a layer of security for investors, and they believe in MicroStrategy's vision. The leadership of MicroStrategy, particularly its CEO, Michael Saylor, has been vocal about the future of digital assets and the role they will play in the global economy. MSTR is not for the faint of heart. Investing in MicroStrategy means embracing a certain level of risk. The company's stock price can be highly volatile, reflecting the ups and downs of the cryptocurrency market. It's volatile, it's risky. But with high risk comes the potential for high reward. Investors who are willing to ride the waves of market fluctuations may find significant gains, but for some, that's part of the appeal. The thrill of high-risk, high-reward investments attracts a certain type of investor. These individuals are not deterred by market volatility. Instead, they see it as an opportunity. It's a chance to ride the wave of innovation. MicroStrategy's commitment to integrating cutting-edge technology and its forward-thinking approach make it a company to watch. To be a part of something big. Being an investor in MicroStrategy means being part of a larger movement towards digital transformation and financial innovation, and potentially to make a lot of money. The ultimate goal for many investors is to see substantial returns on their investments. With MicroStrategy, the potential for significant financial gain is very real, making it an enticing option for those looking to grow their wealth. Investors are always on the lookout for the next big opportunity, and MicroStrategy offers a unique proposition. Its blend of traditional business intelligence and bold cryptocurrency investments sets it apart from other companies. The company's strategic decisions have positioned it as a leader in the integration of digital assets into corporate strategy. This forward-thinking approach resonates with investors who are looking to the future. For those who believe in the long-term potential of digital currencies and innovative business strategies, MicroStrategy represents a compelling investment opportunity. The dynamic nature of the market means that opportunities can arise quickly, and those who are prepared to act can reap the benefits. Success in investing often comes down to timing and the ability to recognize and seize opportunities as they arise. MicroStrategy's performance in the market has been closely watched, and its bold moves have paid off for many investors. The community of investors who follow MicroStrategy is passionate and engaged, constantly sharing insights and strategies to maximize their returns. As the financial landscape continues to evolve, companies like MicroStrategy that are willing to innovate and take risks will likely continue to attract attention and investment. The future of investing is being shaped by companies that are not afraid to embrace new technologies and strategies, and MicroStrategy is at the forefront of this movement. For those who are ready to take on the challenge, investing in MicroStrategy offers the potential for significant rewards and the chance to be part of a groundbreaking journey in the world of finance. Section 6. Understanding the risks, volatility, and market sentiment. But let's be clear, MSTR is not without risks. Bitcoin is volatile. The market is unpredictable. Sentiment can change overnight. What goes up can come down just as fast. Investors need to be aware of this. Don't put all your money in one place. Diversify your portfolio, and most importantly, do your research. Understand what you're investing in. Don't just follow the hype. Section 7. Michael Saylor, the driving force behind the strategy. Now, we can't talk about MSTR without mentioning Michael Saylor. He's the CEO of MicroStrategy, and he's a Bitcoin evangelist. He's the driving force behind their investment strategy. He believes in Bitcoin wholeheartedly. Some people love him, some people think he's crazy, but one thing's for sure, he's not afraid to take risks, and that's reflected in MSTR's performance. It's a roller coaster ride, but for some, it's a ride worth taking. Section 8. MSTR, a long-term play or a quick gamble. So, is MSTR a long-term play or a quick gamble? This is a question that has been on the minds of many investors and financial analysts alike. MSTR, or MicroStrategy, has made headlines with its bold moves in the cryptocurrency market, particularly with its significant investments in Bitcoin. But what does this mean for the average investor? Should you be looking at MSTR as a stable, long-term investment, or is it more of a high-risk, high-reward scenario? It depends on who you ask. Different investors have different perspectives based on their risk tolerance, investment goals, and market outlook. For some, the allure of MSTR lies in its visionary approach and its CEO's strong belief in the future of Bitcoin. They see MSTR as a pioneer, leading the charge into a new era of digital finance. Some investors see it as a long-term bet on the future of finance. They believe that Bitcoin, and by extension MSTR, will revolutionize the financial world. These investors are in it for the long haul, willing to weather the ups and downs of the market because they have faith in the underlying technology and its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. They believe in Bitcoin's potential. They see it as digital gold, a store of value that will appreciate over time as more people adopt it and as its scarcity becomes more pronounced. For these investors, MSTR's strategy of accumulating Bitcoin is a smart move that positions the company for future growth. Others see it as a way to make a quick buck. These are the traders who thrive on volatility, who are constantly looking for opportunities to buy low and sell high. For them, MSTR's stock is attractive because of its strong correlation with Bitcoin's price movements. They see the potential for significant short-term gains, but they are also aware of the risks. They're riding the wave of volatility. These traders are not necessarily interested in the long-term prospects of Bitcoin or MSTR. Instead, they are focused on the here and now, on the potential to make quick profits from the price swings that are characteristic of the cryptocurrency market, hoping to cash out before it crashes. This is the inherent risk of trading in such a volatile market. Prices can soar one day and plummet the next, and timing the market perfectly is a challenge even for the most experienced traders. The fear of missing out on gains is balanced by the fear of losing everything in a sudden downturn. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. The future of MSTR and its Bitcoin strategy is uncertain, and predicting market movements is notoriously difficult. Even the most sophisticated models and analyses can only provide educated guesses. The cryptocurrency market is still relatively young and evolving, and there are many unknowns that could impact its trajectory. It's a gamble either way. Whether you see MSTR as a long-term play or a quick gamble, there is an element of risk involved. Investing in MSTR means betting on the future of Bitcoin and the company's ability to navigate the complexities of the cryptocurrency market. It's a high-stakes game that requires careful consideration and a willingness to accept the potential for significant losses. But it's a gamble that's attracting a lot of attention. The bold moves by MSTR have not gone unnoticed, and the company's strategy has sparked a lot of debate and interest in the financial community. Whether you are a seasoned investor or a newcomer to the market, the story of MSTR and its Bitcoin bet is one that is worth watching closely. Section 9, the future of MSTR. What's next for MicroStrategy? What's next for MSTR? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing's for certain, it's going to be interesting. Will they continue to buy Bitcoin? Will they diversify further? Will their bets pay off? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, MSTR will continue to be a stock to watch. It's a wild ride. But for some, it's a ride worth taking.